I have only 5 minutes. I'm lazy. I don't want to fuss about my makeup. I'm going on errands and I want something quick and easy, and I'm super lazy. Okay, let's be honest. Super lazy. I just want to look put together without looking put together. Does that make sense? I don't know. I'm Karen. You're welcome. We have only 5 minutes. And we're going to do it as quickly as possible. Of course, I already prepped my skin. I have all my moisturizers and sunscreen that I'm not giving up on. Sunscreen is a must, but let's do primer. Super easy, super quickly. I'm just applying a bit primer. This is the Essence one. We're not looking for... Oh, I really like the scent of the watermelon, and still I don't like the scent of the watermelon. I don't know. I mean, I do like the scent of the watermelon. I just know that they put so many things under fragrance. They can be up to 3,000 ingredients hidden in the word fragrance. So I love the scent of the watermelon, but I'm not really loving the scent of the watermelon. Watermelon. Say it a few times. Let's see if you are correct. Okay. Yeah, you can see that I'm in a hurry, right? I'm starting to... like I ate red pepper. Now I'm using this one from Clinique. I want to finish it. I really like it, but the coverage is too high, too heavy, not high, too heavy for my changing needs, I guess. Oh, I think I am beginning to finish this one up. Nothing comes out. I'm just using a tiny spoon, plastic spoon. Almost nothing comes out, which is really nice. I've been putting this one in my project pan back in January. Now we are approaching the end of April, and this one I think can soon go to its grave. And this is glass, which I appreciate, because even if you do not recycle glass, it will eventually be recycled back to sand. Of course, it takes years, but it's not like plastic that doesn't go away anywhere, if you know what I mean. Okay, I just applied tiny bit of this, and I wanted to do it super quickly, but it dried. The foundation dried all over my face. Does that happen to you too? Okay, we're just taking a setting spray. This is Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day. Did I say setting spray? Some kind of spray. Ooh, it can be finishing spray. It can be any spray that you have, just to give yeah, the foundation. I'm just using my fingers. Okay, I have 2 minutes left. I didn't put a timer on, but I do see the camera's timer of how long I'm filming, so I know that I have approximately 2 minutes left, and I'm not even close to being ready. Okay, I'm talking too much. I'm going to do some kind of test. I don't know even what it is. Some kind of ultrasound. I don't really know. I'm using my Catrice stick bronzer. I really like this one, and it's on my desk, so it's really easy to use, something that you already have on your desk. I'm just taking my brush and just patting on. Usually this is the brush I'm using for powders, but I am super lazy, super in a hurry, and I just want to look put together. Again, nothing too much. Nothing excessive. I think we'll leave this at that. And just grab something I have here. This is Natasha Denona Trio. This is something I have here. I'm taking another brush for my blush. I'm just using this blush here. Not a lot. Again, just want something that I will look put together. And some highlighter. Just taking the powder one. Again, nothing too much. I think we have approximately 20 seconds. Now, I did not time. This is not the purpose of timing. I just want to show you what you can do really, really quickly. Just using a pencil to fill in my brows. This is a pencil from Wet n Wild. Just something I grabbed, I think, on iHerb. You know, those very easy pencils that has a very fine tip to it. And just taking my spoolie, which is MIA. Where is my spoolie? Please don't tell me my daughter took my spoolie, please. Okay, I have another spoolie. But it looks like that she took my spoolie. I don't know why. She has her own. I don't know why she's taking my stuff. But it's usually very annoying. She's a teenager. Oh, it is. It's here. I'm just blaming her when I shouldn't have. Well, I'm past my time, that's for sure. I'm just going to put something on my lips. Just something quick and easy. This is this from Sephora collection number... this is number 01. And with that, we are done. Just something for my complexion, eyebrows, a bit of color on my cheeks and on my lips. I'm done. I'm going. Do let me know what you think about the look. Do you have days that you're lazy? Too lazy to apply some makeup? Well, I know that I have a lot of these days recently that I'm just too lazy to put on a full face of makeup. But I think I did a pretty good job. What do you think? Do let me know. Write something in the comment section down below. Do you like this kind of videos? Like this video if you enjoyed it. And let the algorithm know that you like my content. And subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Join my family here on YouTube. And I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.